Hi, I'm Linda Charlton. I will show you how to make your reports easier to read. Let's get started. I'm already in a survey, so let's go to Reports. And I'm going to scroll down where I see a metrics question, and that would be question 6. So here's a metrics question. I'm going to click on the graph. Then I'm going to scroll to the right, and I'm going to click on Show Bar Labels and Stack Bars, and then scroll down and click Transpose. Now you will see your choices all in one line that would respond to the colors right here, and for each choice you will see a small number beside the colors to tell you how many were in that group. Now let's scroll down for a text. Here's a text question. We're going to make the changes to save paper. So click on where you will see your text responses and drag this results per page from 5. We're going to go all the way to 100. This would take less pages because before you would only get 5 responses in a page. Now you get 100. Thanks for watching.